3 Russian generals are reported to have been sacked over the provision of poor quality uniforms, which has left troops fighting in Ukraine without adequate protection against the cold. A further scandal has erupted over the decision to appoint a new uniform provider. The independent Russian news outlet Verstka reports, a month ago, on 19th of January, a meeting was held at the Ministry of Defense with the participation of its head, Sergei Shoigu, and the Chief of the General Staff, Valery Gerasimov, 2 sources familiar with the topic of the meeting said. Social media criticism has been scathing, with many, probably correctly, seeing the contract as a corrupt deal to push money into the pockets of well-connected people. The Wagner Group-linked Grey Zone Telegram channel puts the blame on Shoigu. The issue here is a bit broader than simply that OKB Garda Rika, who sew things from shitty materials with zero experience, and sell them at cry precision prices, are the best tailors in the world, which, without exaggeration, the funniest part about it. The issue is that Shoigu's department has happily agreed to buy it all. Shoigu, who fucked up all the mobilization supply reserves. When they came to the warehouses and they were empty. Everything has been sold and stolen over the years. All fighters are clothed by our good, civilian, populace, whether they are mobilized or regular servicemen. Not only does it clothe them, but it also provides them with equipment. Sights. Quadcopters. And even how this completely incompetent fucker hasn't been fired yet, I don't know. He's been lying all these years to everyone, from the people and the soldiers to the president. And he has already lost the credibility of the former. It's up to the latter to decide. Only Putin can change the situation in any way, only he can remove this charlatan and his entourage of generals from any involvement with the Russian army. According to Stepanenko, production of the new uniforms was only launched a month ago but was already approved by the Ministry of Defense. Verstka says that the decision to appoint Garda Rika as a contractor has caused a further scandal in the Ministry of Defense. A source says that it's unlikely that the contract will be revoked, but heads could roll at the ministry over the matter.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.